Okay, let's do another very important video. This time of a situation that has happened in France, in the city of Marseille. Okay, a tall apartment complex collapsed, injuring five people and several others are being treated. There was an explosion in that building. Okay, it has happened today, the 9th of April. An apartment building collapsed after a heavy explosion in the city of Marseille. They are still battling the blaze in that apartment complex. The building has completely collapsed because there was an explosion. I think it's due to gas leakage. Several people were injured, but so far no death, thank God. Yeah, I am pretty sure, as I said there must be death because it is quite a terrible situation. There was a heavy explosion due to gas leakage, and then the whole apartment complex collapsed. Okay, you guys must have read it by now. So, see what I knew like a few months ago. High rise fire in UK. I thought it's going to be UK, but I know it as I wrote it there. It will happen to any other country in that region. And I know it also is due to gas explosion. Okay, you guys must have read it by now. So I knew it. A building will explode in that area due to gas explosion. And in my dream, I thought 27 people will be killed or injured. We will see what the figure will be. We will know in a few days. So definitely something will happen. I hope not, but people will be killed because the whole block has collapsed. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share it. Apart from me, of course, who knew things like that?